것처럼 Only if you're waiting for me Then I could walk through the fire for you When you say my name The whole world stops I'm amazed at the way you see me 왜인지는 모르겠지만 자꾸만 웃게 돼 너의 마법에 걸린 것 같아 나는 Wherever you go, whatever you do 널 알아볼 수 있을 것 같아 멈추지 않는 내 심장이 죽을 것 같이 뛰고 있어 I say you stepped into my heart Softer than summer night Became my everything There's no way without you now 종일 네 목소리를 듣고 너무 행복해 눈물도 짓고 온통 네 생각에 가득한 수많은 밤들을 지새우고 네 You're my treasure and my soul You're the reasons of my smiles 눈 속에 빈 웃음들은 어린 날에 본 소설 속의 이야기들보다 더 그대 날 들뜨게 하네 Wherever you go, whatever you do 널 알아볼 수 있을 것 같아 멈추지 않는 내 심장이 죽을 것 같이 뛰고 있어 I say you stepped into my heart Softer than summer night Became my everything And now I know you're a piece of my heart You take my hands, take my whole life Do you see the flowers in my eyes? I'll take you now, I know There's no way without you now
Happy birthday mo pa!
Rainbow notes upon the wall Dancing children under rainfall Perfect sunset set to 10 Then we begin again There's a ribbon in the sky Painted rivers in the moonlight Moving pictures say the words Of a story that begins I'll hold your hand and wipe your tears We'll laugh until we run out of years Cause no matter if our blue skies turn to gray There's a ray of sun that's bound to light our way And all other roads are rough I'll get through it just because There's a ray of sun that's bound to light our way, and although the roads are rough, we'll get through it just because you'll have your me. Well, I hope for you, no matter what may come, we'll have our way. And us.
I've waited 100 years, but I'd wait a million more for you. Nothing prepared me for what the privilege of being yours would do. If I had only felt the warmth within your touch, if I had only seen how you smile when you blush, or how you curl your lip when you concentrate enough, I would have known what I was living for. But I've been living for. Your love is my turning page, where only the sweetest words remain. Every kiss is a cursive line, every touch is a redefining phrase. I surrender who I've been for who you are. Nothing makes me stronger than your fragile heart. If I had only felt how it feels to be yours, well, I would have known what I've been living for all along. What I've been living for. We're tethered to the story we must tell. When I saw you, well, I knew we'd tell it well. With a whisper, we will tame the vicious things like a feather, bringing kingdoms to their knees.
Giliw, kung pahintulutan mo ako,
aking sinta.
tiwala ko sana sa'yo ang puso ko.
Sabi na eh, dapat di pa hindi makakapatalipod.
Alamat lang ba ang pahinga ng dalawang puyat sa pira-piraso, mga bugto nagtatanong, sagot ay di mahalaga, sapat na sa'kin nariyan ka, paumanhin, paumanhin. Salat sa kasanayang linawin, pahintulutan mo ako. Ay pakilala ko sana sa'yo ang buong mundo. Balagtasan na nagtatapatang makatang maligalig ang mga tugma. Limot na kung paano ang bumasa. Giliw kung pahintulutan mo ako. Ang aking hangganan ay ipapamalas ko sa'yo. Pinakikiusap ko sa'yo. Sana'y pakaiingatan yang puso ko.
Nagbabadya ang hangin na nakapalipot sa'kin. Tila merong pahiwatig, ako'y nananapit. Di naman napilitan, kusa na lang naramdaman. Ang di inaasahang papunay ng kalawakan. Ino sa paligid umawit-awit, natutulala sa nagkakaakit-akit mo. Tinatangi, napapangiti mo ang aking puso. Giliw puso ng damdamin ko. Mukhang mapapaamin mo, amin mo. Giliw, nagpapaiba, tingnan sa'yo. Damdamin ko, napagtanto na gusto kita.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ko sisimulan. Binibigyang kulay ang larawan na para bang ikaw ang nag-iisang bituing nagsisilbing buwan na kapiling mo. Sa likod ng mga ulap pang tayo lamang ang tanging magkakanaan.
Ibon sa paligid umawit-awit, natutulala sa nakakaakit-akit mong tinatangi. Napapangiti mo ang aking puso.
Giliw, di mapigil ang bugso ng damdamin ko. Mukhang mapapaamin mo, amin mo. Giliw, nagpapaiwating na sa'yo ang damdamin kong napagtanto na gusto kita. Gusto kita, gusto kita, gusto kita.
Anong salamang kang meron ka, binabalot ka ng maita.
Anong salamang kang meron ka, ako'y nabihag mo na.
Ako na nga'y nabihag mo na, nung di naman talaga sinasadya. Pagkat hindi na tayo para sa isa't isa. Ako na
Magpapaiwating na sa'yo. Damdamin ko, damdamin ko. Giliw,
napagtanto na gusto kita. Sa unang tingin agad na humaling sa nagniningning mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. Hindi ko mawari ang tagal ay mong tinatangi. Sadya namang nakakapighani, di may paliwanag ang nararamdaman. Namumukadkad ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, o para naman kaya kinatatakin sa di mo inasahang paraiso. Palagi kita nawitan ng kundi man sasabak. Di ka pababayaan sa sayo kita.
ako kapag ikaw na ang kapili. Sumisibing ang buwan at mga bituin na para ba sumasang-ayon sa atin ang kalawakan. Namumukat-kad ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay. Para naman ika'y aking nagdadalhin sa di mo'y nasahang paraiso. Palagi kitang awitan ng kundi man sasawa. Di ka pababayaan, sasayaw kita hanggang sa walang dadalhin sa di mo inasahang paraiso. Palagi kitang awitan ng kundi man sasawa. Di ka pababayaan, sasayaw kita. Mahalin kita hanggang sa walang hanggan.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. Keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone.
You at the top of the mountain?
Wait for me to come home.